I found her in the backyard. She was like hurt. She wasn't moving. She's still not moving. But I don't know what is wrong with her. I really don't know what's wrong with her. I don't know what to do. I feel bad. Can I shower her? So I can't fly? I don't know. Her wings are not broken. Her wings are not broken. The other wing is not broken. You see? It's not broken. I don't know why you're so still. I wish I could understand animals. I wish that could be like my power to understand animals. None of her wings are broken. I just don't know why she's not moving. Find where is hurt. She's not hurt anywhere. Look, I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. Sorry. I feel like this leg is broken. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. Sorry. I feel like this leg is like more up than this one. I feel like that's what's broken. Her leg. She's not dead. She's moving. Look at her. She's moving. She's just scared. Probably a cat. Is she breathing? Yes. Look. I just don't know why. She is alive. I think it's dead. No, it's not. Look. It's not. You see? She's moving. I literally feel her breathing. I'm just trying to figure out. You see? She's moving. I'm just trying to figure out what's wrong with her. Do birds blink? Put her outside. She can't fly. She really can't. I don't know why. I just know that she's scared from something. But don't know what. You give her food? Yeah, I put food on her. I gave her water too. I just don't know what to do. I think it was a cat that fucked with her. I don't know what to do. She's alive. She's just scared. Hey, no. I'm not going to do nothing to you. Don't bite me. I don't drive, so how am I going to take this to a vet? Me and my mom are not talking. Second, in the Uber, they don't let you get a bird inside the car. So right now, I'm just like... I feel bad. I don't know what to do. She's so cute. Talia, look at her. Her eyes are like blue. So cute. What if we open the door and see if she wants to fly? Should we? Lite por lo mollo. Leave her alone. She don't wanna go out. I don't know what to do. Can Talia drive, Malu? No. They're asking if you drive. No. Should we call a vet? I don't know what to do. Call a vet. Call a vet.
What is it?
That we have a fucking bird. I don't even know if this is a pigeon or some shit. A pigeon. Tell them that we think it's a pigeon. It's not moving. We don't see any broken wings, anything. She just don't want to fly. Ooh. Sorry.
You must have a dumbass saying that.
You're not. If something else, say it. You're not gonna sound like a dumbass. We have a fucking bird. I don't want the fucking bird to die. It's so pretty to die. It's so pretty to die. She's not dead. She's not dead. Look, when I move her, she moves. She's not dead. She's hurt. I know what I'm saying. I know when a fucking animal's dead. She's not dead. Stop being negative. Jesus. You might not be want to be holding it. They have disease. I don't care if the fucking bird has disease. I'll wash my hands. I'm not going to touch my face. I don't want her to die. What'd they say? Tell them that we gave her bread, everything. She just don't want to move. It's fucking fun. I think she's pregnant. What? Ask them if it could be that she's pregnant.
She said she has no idea about birds, but that it could be.
It's a fucking vet. How do they not know about
She
birds?
only specializes in dogs and cats.
So, call a vet. That's for birds.
But they don't see it. They're not gonna know what's wrong with you.
Okay, but what do we do with the fucking bird? I don't want to die. I don't want her to die. She's cute. She has blue eyes. Her wings are good. Sky, get the fuck out of the bird, bruh. Leave her alone.
Hey, what's wrong with you, bro?
I don't know what's wrong with her. She's still alive. She's moving.
I think it might be this little patita.
You think it's a leg?
But like, there's nothing wrong with it.
Don't flip her that hard. Don't flip her that hard.
What's wrong with you?
Just be gentle. She's moving. She's moving. Make her
I
move.
think she can't walk yet.
Is the leg? So how do we put the leg back?
That I don't know. I don't know. It looks retarded. Look at that little thumb right there.
Yeah, I feel like she broke her leg. I think it was a cat, bro.
Hey, what's wrong with you?
I think it's a fucking cat. Bro, I hate cats. You should open her mouth and I'll put water on her. Like that.
Hello.
You should open her mouth and then I put water on her.
Let's try.
Alright. Let's go to the kitchen now. Let me get the cup. Take her outside again. I literally opened the door for her and she did not want to fly. What do you want me to do about it? Fucking throw her? No. Alright.
I don't know how the fuck this happened. Let me just.
Drink water. Drink it. You need it. Open her mouth.
I don't know what.
Hello. We're trying to help you. Can
Cooperate.
you cooperate? Cooperate with us, bro. I guess she's pregnant. She doesn't even look pregnant. Her shit stinks. But let me wash my hands. Oh my god. Yeah, saying take her to the vet like if I have a fucking car. I mean, I do, but I can't use it.
Look at this. You're retarded even saying leg.
I think it's her leg. I think it's her leg. I think a cat bit her, bro. It has to be.
How the fuck is a cat gonna catch up to this thing?
I don't know. She was probably knocked out or she fell off something.
Here. You know what I mean?
Put her here.
Oh, Hannah.
She just can't move. Yeah, it's her leg. It's for sure her leg. I'm just trying to figure out how the fuck. Who's Devante? Who's Devante? Wrap the leg and put pain medicine. Huh? Chop off her leg? Are you fucking retarded? Shut the fuck up. Nasty creep motherfucker. Guess Maggie knows how to drive. My mom works in an animal shelter and is holding her does not help it because it's in shock. Best thing to do is lay down on a towel and leave her alone.
Okay, let me put her back in the tree then.
Okay, but let me get a towel or something because she's kind of getting dirty. Let me see.
Just put the paper on.
Don't put her yet. She's gonna get dirty. And take off the little thing. That's for the fucking mosquitoes. It's next to the shit.
This thing?
Yeah, the one that was stuck in her tail.
Oh, this thing.
I'm just gonna put on my Christmas jacket there. Huh?
This?
Yeah. I feel like who the fuck is the he could help. Okay.
What's up?
Who is he?
He's a magician, but like magicians be having birds and stuff. So I guess he has doves, so he knows what to do.
Okay, but where is he at? I can see.
He's commented like 50 times.
And I can't even see you. Oh, now I see you.
You can't see me.
What's his name?
It's Devontae Magic. He has like a picture of him like with cards
Okay, let me see.
right here. It says I'm commenting. Yeah, it's gonna be a struggle.
This? Okay, I think I found him.
All right, bet.
I found his IG, but I can't go live with him. It's not letting me. Oh, God. Oh, right here.